How to update the Phemex application to its latest version. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. Keeping the Phemex app up to date gives you access to the latest feature, security improvements, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. So in order to do that, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device. In the search bar, type in Phemex and search. From the search results, look for this Phemex Buy Bitcoin and Crypto app, and in this page, look if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version of Phemex app. If you don't see the update button but you see the open button instead, then it means you are currently running on the latest version already. So that is how it's done. That's how you update to the latest version of Phemex app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.